Ignore the snoring, that's just my grandmother. Sorry, but an 18-year-old several man's gotta do what a 18-year-old several man's gotta do, okay. There it is.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency.
Now I know
alert
how
system.
Wayne Brady felt. The deed has been done. The fact I was playing Animal Crossing prior to recording this video, that just makes it